Hey guys, what's up? So right now I'm waiting for the bus to arrive from here Singapore, and then I'll be heading to Malaysia. So I booked my ticket there. So it's actually 24 hours open. So if you're planning to if you're here in Singapore and planning to go to Malaysia, late night, they are actually open 24 hours.
That was legitness.
So I booked my ticket there. So it's for $30, one way only. And then I meet some of kababayan here. And ayan sila ate. So yeah. So guys, quick information because they booked an early travel from Singapore to Malaysia, but yung bus kasi naiwan sila kasi medyo na-traffic sila sa Grab kanina. So making sure na if you are planning to travel from Singapore to Malaysia, just make sure to arrive here 30 minutes before, or at least as early as possible.
That
It's
was
better
legitness.
early than sorry. Diba?
Yes,
So
na lang.
since na late sila, bumili sila ng bagong ticket, so medyo nasayang yung budget instead of
sayang na
pang food
sayang
trip na lang, diba?
That was
So
legitness.
guys, so ayun na, dapat maaga kayo dito. So yun lang. So we're just waiting for the bus to arrive. See ya!
Park BEC dapat.
Ayan na yung bus, ayan na.
Ay, siya.
Okay,
917. Tama.
here's our bus.
Yes.
Okay, let's go!
BEC dito.
Hey guys, so yun, dumating na yung bus namin papunta na Malaysia. So let's go! So here how it looks like inside the bus. So it looks nice and it looks very comfy, and the aircon is really malamig naman and mabango. So pretty good. Hey guys, ito na, nasa bus na kami. So time check, it's exactly 12:26 a.m. We left Singapore going to Malaysia. Hi guys, kakarating lang namin na departure hall. So dito sa immigration, papatatakan lang yung passport namin going to Malaysia. Let's go guys. Hi guys! So ang bilis lang pala nun. Tapos na kami magpa-scan ng passport. So automated lang pala, i-scan lang nila yung passport mo, and then yun na, but babalik na kami sa bus. And biyahe na ulit. Okay guys, time check, it's 1:17 a.m. and we are now crossing borders from Singapore to Malaysia. Hi guys, so second stop before entering Malaysia. This is the immigration. So here, just make sure all of your documents is prepared. Okay, so let's go guys. Hi guys, so I just finished from the Malaysian immigration. So ayun, nagtatak na yung passport ko and we're going back to the bus. Ayun, travel na to Kuala Lumpur. So see you there guys! Hi guys, kakabalik ko lang sa loob ng bus. So we're just waiting for the other tourists to get back here. And so ayun na, mamabiyahe na kami to Kuala Lumpur. So, see you later guys. There.
Few hours later.
Hi guys. So, kakarating ko lang din ng Malaysia. Nakarating kami dito mga around 5:45 a.m. So, hindi ko naman na pansin kung gaano kabilis yung biyahe. Pero feeling ko naman mabilis kasi nakatulog na ako sa biyahe. Anyway, antok kasi. So, ayun, nandito kami sa bus terminal. Meron din ditong train station. Dito na rin kami bumili ng SIM card. And yung, since day tour lang naman ako dito, babalik din ako ng Singapore. Bumili lang ako ng pinakamurang SIM card.
That was legitness.
This is for 9 ringgit. So, yun, dito muna kami sa may McDonald's, sa may terminal. I-register ko muna ito. Ayan guys, breakfast muna. Hey, good morning Malaysia! So, I just finished my breakfast. And nag-book na rin ako ng Grab. And first itinerary ko for today, I'm going to Batu Cave. So, nag-book na ako ng Grab and I'm just waiting for it. So, see you there guys. Ayan na guys yung Grab ko. Going to Batu Caves. So, medyo maulan lang. So, let's go. Hey guys, I just arrived here sa Batu Caves. It's kinda rainy but it's tolerable. So I am now entering the Batu Caves, and to give you quick information about the Batu Caves, it is a mogoti, a type of karst landform that has a series of caves and cave temples in Gombak, Selangor, Malaysia. It takes its name from the Malay word Batu, meaning rock. The cave complex is one of the most popular Hindu shrines outside India and is dedicated to Murugan. Hey guys, good morning everyone. So right now I'm here sa Batu Cave. So it's raining but it's tolerable. So you can see there's the Batu Cave going there. So let's go guys. The Batu Caves is the focal point of the Tamil festival of Thaipusam in Malaysia. Batu Caves, in short, it is also referred as to the 10th caves or hill for Murugan, as there are 6 important holy shrines in India and 4 more in Malaysia. The 3 others in Malaysia are Kalumalay Temple in Ipoh, Tanirmalay Temple in Penang, and Sanasimalay Temple in Malacca. The limestone forming Batu Caves is said to be around 400 million years old. Some of the cave entrances were used as shelters by the indigenous Temuan people.
Welcome to Malaysia.
Hey guys, what's up? So, ayun nga, nakita mo naman yung Batu kayo. So, maraming tao ngayon. Tapos, kahit umuulan, go na go pa sila. I don't know what's happening, but I think there's some sort of like recross or sambaan nila. I don't know. So, if you know what's happening, just comment down in the comment section. Anyway, I will try to go there and I'll see if I can do it. So let's go. Hi guys! Grabe napakaraming tao ngayon. I don't know what's happening. Try ko umakyat sa taas kung kakayanin. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Hi guys! So finally naakyat ko yung pinaka peak nitong Batu Cave. where you can see behind me. I think it's their temple. Tapos meron din dun sa may part sa baba. Dun. So dito pwede naman daw mag-shoes, but that part of the temple, shoes should be removed before entering. So ayun, ang sakit ng paa ko pero worth it naman kasi yeah, you get to see the culture even though I really don't understand what's happening right now. I think there's a ritual, or I don't know what they call it, but it was really amazing to witness something like that. Okay, so once again guys, I'm here inside the Batu cave. So I'll go down now, so good luck again. Hi guys, so syempre nagpicture muna ako dito sa taas. And then now, pababa na ako, so good luck sa akin. Hey guys! So nakababa na ako ng Batu Cave. So ayun, I'm just gonna chill down here and we'll check nearby attraction as well na pwede kong daanan. Tapos we'll see kung ano pang pwede kong gawin. Anyway, I enjoy yung pag-akyat din naman kahit pa paano. Yung sabi ko nga, it's amazing to witness something like this. It's very cultural, diba? So, yeah. It's a must visit.
That was
I can
legitness.
say that.